Hey everyone, Gil here of Gray Man Prepping. Got a unboxing here, big box with several things in it. And before I go on, I've mentioned about the lights around here, the fixtures that are flickering. I'm going to move the camera up and show you one of the ones that's flickering and some of the lights aren't working on. Okay, let's get this box open here. Just a small box. Get out my everyday carry here and open it up here. This side open it up here. All right, let's see what we got in here. Paper. One box. Two box. Three boxes. And I get rid of that one. All right, so the first little box here. I think I did the video on the other channel, and so I'm going to do one here for you guys. Oh, it's not taped this time. Okay, so this is an 8-pack of halogen in an incandescent base on it, so it's not LED. Open it up here. Comes a little case here. So looks like a regular incandescent, but in the center there is a quartz halogen light unit. And so it's 43 watts is what the halogen draws, but puts out the equivalent of a 60 watt incandescent. And no flickering. All right, if you were on the live stream, the last over on actually on Gray Man Prepping last night and Camp Patton the night before, this is the lights I was using in there, so it didn't mess anything up. The next box here is it's really taped up. They secured this one good. So this is a 2-pack of light units to replace that one there, those there. However, so this here's the end here. If I can get the bag to open up here. There we go. And so this hangs up like this. This is what it looks like. There's no glass on it. These can be adjusted around a little bit so they fit right. So these are rated for 100 watt. So yeah, these are ceramic inside, not plastic. So you see it. So that's ceramic in there, not plastic. Metal on the outside. So and these were a lot cheaper than some of the cheap ones similar to what's up there right now, which only can take 60 watt bulbs. So I got a 2-pack of these. They also have ones that come in white. However, the white ones are more expensive, but they still take the 100 watt bulbs. I'll probably get one of the white ones later and put it up here over the sink here, so I get a little bit better. The glass covers on these light fixtures throughout the house take 10% of the light away. Light going through it drops it by at least 10%. And these are pretty thick, so maybe a little bit more. So let me go ahead and put this back in here. and set this off to the side. Oh, this is the third box. And open up, got instructions here. Okay, yeah, okay, it has the instructions, and yeah, this is what it's going to look like. And I'm getting this one for the staff sergeant's office because when she's in there working and trying to do quilting or anything there, she's going to need a little bit more light. Let me get this opened up here. Yeah, so these things all, yeah, so there's four, they mount on here and point off in different directions here. So, and these are 60 watt max ones, and so these will get the halogen ones in it. But yeah, it's exposed, and wow, hang on here. It says 60 watt max on it, but this has a ceramic one in it, which usually goes for 100 watt or higher. And that is what I got to try to make the lighting in this house a little bit better and get rid of the LEDs, which are just dying left and right after only, well, it's been about 4.5 years since I put the LEDs in. They're just dying left and right. All right. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill and work on planning out your garden for the spring.